Good morning world. O ate ha. Sandali ate. Kausap ko yung kapatid ko. Ayan o. Ayun, may isa pang message. Hi, good morning Inday Bell. Andyan nakita ko. Oh my goodness, I gonna show you guys the hang on, Margaret. Hi Margaret. Hi Isil.
Hindi naman sa group chat natin Inday Bell.
No, I saw Inday Bell in the doon sa parang may text. Tingnan mo, oh my god, yung snow, ang dami-dami. Tingnan mo, nandito ako sa backyard. And then it's still dropping. I don't think it's gonna.
Margaret, look.
Margaret, look at the snow.
Mommy,
I'm talking to my
snow.
family guys in the Philippines.
Look at here, come here. Wow, look at
And my sister in UK. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you my footprint. Natatawa ako sa footprint. Look, see?
Snow.
Did you see? Yeah? Margaret, can you speak English please? Yeah, you're gonna make an snowman, guys. I'm gonna show you the back. Look at the backyard. I'm in the. Oh my God! I hear the truck. I supposed to be at work at 7 o'clock in the morning, but I guess I'm stuck. We can't even go up to the hill, so we decided to just wait until. Yeah, did you see this, no, Margaret? I'm talking to my family guys in the Philippines. So, I'm here in the backyard. Yeah, did you see the snow? Yeah, it's a lot of snow. Yes. I think I hear the truck ate. So, oh, my poor Michael Kors boots. It's a. See, did you see how many? One. Marga, did you see my footprint?
Look at the.
Come here.
And mommy footprint so snow.
Did you see it? Did you see? Oh, alright here.
Sino ay iya kuya kay mali ako no.
Okay. Did you see guys? Itutur ko kayo guys dito talaga kung gaano dito talaga kalamig. This is my life in the winter time here in North. I'm in Pennsylvania. Part. But I heard there in the New York they have a severe weather. Diba kung dyan sa atin may bagyo na na tubig at saka ulan at saka hangin, dito naman may bagyo na snow. Diba?
Loading
Loading ka?
You are loading.
I'm loading. Oh, it's because I'm outside. Oh my God. And I feel sorry for these people. Look, they're stuck also. They have also our neighbors stuck also. They're trying to get down. But I saw the truck all the way there to the street. But I don't know why they don't come to our street. And what is this yellow? Oh no, you put the salt. See, we're stuck in here in a cell. Hindi kami naka-go down. No, I was stuck. Good morning. Thank you.
Thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you so much. I know. Look, I can't get up the hill. So it's the newspaper. We have a newspaper. Hang on. Here you go, newspaper. Oh, why I'm giving the phone? I can. Here. Here you go, sir.
What time is it there?
It's 7 o'clock, guys. It's 7 o'clock already here in. Yeah. Maybe we can just give a little hit the gas little bit more, honey. Oh. Diba? Ang dami naming snow. Ang dami-dami talaga. We're gonna try again. Look, the shovel. Are we gonna try, Han?
Pumasok sa garage,
No, we have my car is there. It's not gonna make it. This is a small car. And it's still really snowing bad. Margaret, where are you? Margaret is they're loading. Tingnan mo naman ate. Oh my God guys. Ang dami-dami talagang snow dito sa amin. As in, maraming snow. Diba?
Ito, wow. Oh, yeah, ang ganda. Parang winter wonderland.
Yeah, I know. See?
Dapat nung Christmas yan nagganyan.
Yeah, last year we do have. See? Look at my neighbor.
Ano yung kapitbahay?
Yeah, I live in a very nice neighborhood. Very nice, yeah.
Quiet.
Yes, maraming ano. Ay, punta tayo sa likod para makita nyo yung mas marami pang snow. Tingnan mo yung yung bintana namin. Diba?
Natawa ko sa isang
Kasi 'di ba, you have to give magbigay ka ng ganyan sound kasi para mabawasan yung mo, yung lamig mo. Sandali lang. O tingnan mo yung mga footprint ng mga animal na nagtatakbo-takbuhan dito, 'di ba?
dapat yung
Oo.
footprint ng
Ano
ng beer.
ano ito, ate? Anong animal kaya ito?
Sa-
Itong mga
Pag
footprint.
dalawa ang paa, pag-apat lang ka.
Hindi, may baka din na dalawa lang ang paa.
Hindi sino? Nanay.
Patay ka ni nanay.
Sorry, nanay.
Sorry, mother. 'Di ba? Oh. Siguro ito deer. Maraming deer dito deerly.
Oh.
'Di ba? Naalala ko si may deer. Pero iba naman yung spelling ng deer na deer. Na deer, my love. 'Di ba? Parang 'di ba? Oh, MG. Ano ba itong nakita ko dito, ate, oh? Oh, bumagsak. Oh.
Yung bumagsak.
Tingnan mo tong bumagsak, aray ko. 'Di ba?
Madapa ka dyan.
Kung nga okay lang, mag-play na lang ako, magpapalit na lang ako ng boots.
Mag-angel ka, Julie.
Naku, hindi kasi papasok ako ngayon, hinihintay ko lang. This is my secret garden, remember, ate? Ayan na, oh. My God. Na dalawang kahoy na malalaki yung bumagsak. Kagabi, nung pa siguro to bumagsak, hindi na ako dito na mamasyal
Hindi kasi mabigat yung snow. Mag-give up
Oh,
yan.
I think I heard the flounder, yung nagpla-flound na truck. Ay, nako, baka mamaya
Snow lang.
Ako dito ha, sandali lang. Ko, huli cow.
May pahuli ka pa.
Oo. Tingnan mo naman, ang ganda-ganda ng kahoy ko. Tingnan mo, oo. Diba? OMG guys, I'm already 40 minutes late for my work. And until now, the truck didn't come yet. So let me walk and see if we can get up, or maybe the truck can see me and they come down. OMG, sana hindi ako dito. Diba, naririnig ko yung truck doon lang kasi sa labas ng nagpla-plan. Dito hindi. So I'm stuck talaga, as in very stuck. Tingnan mo naman kasi too much snow. See, it's in the hill. That's why I'm stuck. Jeez. You're gonna try again. Can you imagine kung yung maliit na sasakyan yung gagamitin namin? Talagang malilibing kami sa snow kasi sobrang makapal-kapal pa yung snow. As in, tingnan mo naman yung dyan nga, diba?
Well, so far,
We made it, guys. Now we made it. Oh, we made it to the hell. Now I'm going to work. Wow. See, they found it in here. Yo. All right, thank you, honey.
we're not there yet.
It's true. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'm already late for what, 1 hour?
I know, honey. No, I gotta get.
All right. All right, almost there to work, guys. Time check. 7:52 a.m. I'm almost 1 hour late. Ate Bilog po. OMG, diba? Na-stuck ako. Ganito pala talaga dito. Pag ano. So, namimiss ko na yung ano, yung umuwi na lang sa amin. And then, diba? Pag ano naman doon naman, yung ano, yung ang makikipaglaban ka naman doon pag tatawid ka ng island, yung malalaking alon. So, dito naman is going to, no, that's full in there. So, we cannot go in that hole. So, we're going to the other road. Time check again, guys. I arrived in the building. Hello, hello, hello. Alright, guys, I already put in 9 hours at work. Now I'm going home. Look at this snow. It's already clearing up. Thank you for watching my channel, guys. See you later. See you in my LS. It's coming soon. I'm planning for my grand LS on the, I'll see next week. It's gonna be mentioned in my sister Josephine Live UK channel. It's gonna be mentioned soon. Bye. Thank you for watching. It's really cold in here. I'm walking to my car. See you later. Bye bye.